So we've been hearing about the great food up here at Craft and Draft, and now getting a delivery and from James Mena, who is the executive chef at Kauffman Stadium. How about that? How often do you get something delivered by the executive chef?
Oh, because we had to check one of the pizzas out.
And our
oh man, way to go, bud. Thank you, James. Look at all that. I know. I'm glad I didn't eat dinner.
And they know your diet compared to mine, because all that food is over on your side.
Oh yeah.
And then we got look at that. And then our good buddy over here, John, Mark Carter, Bonesy. Bonesy, how many years you been here? 15 years. And now the manager up here at Craft and Draft. So thanks for the food, man. You're moving up in the world. You're big time. Yeah.
Hey, is this one of those 90-second pizzas?
Yeah, 90 seconds.
90 seconds. Seriously, I gotta go upstairs. You know, when Bob was here, when Bob Kinnick was here, you know, it went so fast I had to come back, but I was checking everything out up there. Love the camaraderie, like the atmosphere. There's a lot of energy up there.
It's a place they're having fun.
Yeah, you know they're having fun, especially when the Royals can get back in it. Hey, how do you cook this in 90 seconds? James, how do you do that? How do you do it in 90 seconds?
80 seconds. It's a turbo chef fire oven. 80 seconds on the fly.
Turbo chef. Way to go, man. It looks beautiful. I can't wait to dig in.
Look at that spread.
Is that calamari over there? Sweet and spicy calamari.
Wow.